Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. As you can see, we're down in my basement and it's a mess. But before we get this cleaned up, we about to head on back up. Hey y'all, it's going down in Mama Weesie's kitchen. We about to cook up this butterfly shrimps and see how it comes out in this air fryer. This is what you call a little sample for real. Dang, $9.99 for this little sample.
Some pizza.
Okay. Y'all hear my daughter, she said, y'all want some pizza, so she try to make the butterfly strips with the pizza. Let's turn it on. And then we're gonna hit what? Fish? It said cook in the air fryer. Right, where is the shrimps at?
Fish.
I guess it go under the fish, y'all?
No.
What? They don't even have the shrimps on here. Air fryer. Okay, we're gonna do we're gonna cook it under the fish. And we're gonna do the judgment. Okay? So y'all stay tuned. Gotta go out to a restaurant where you can make your own butterfly shrimps and your fresh fries. Let's get into it, y'all. Let's get into it. Pepper. And we're gonna drench the fries down in ketchup. Okay, Popeyes, cocktail sauce for my shrimp. Okay, y'all, we back here. We're gonna focus on, I brought all the Christmas stuff, and this is where I put his stuff at. It's a mess down here. You see that bed over there? We got to wrap that bed up and put it in the trash. That TV's still sitting. I need someone to come and get this TV out of here. I've been saying it for how long, y'all? So let's clean up this basement, y'all. Let's clean this basement up. Let's go to the bedding first. Is it okay? Okay. For a minute, y'all, I thought it was a bag. How many of y'all have to wrap y'all bedding or chairs before y'all put it out for trash? Comment and let me know if that's you by raising your hand. Start wrapping a present, y'all. It's a long and wide. So me all this. So when it's time to wrap my chairs, when I put it out, when I get my new furniture, I got some more. I don't have to go out and buy it now. Oh, and I got this from Walmart. Was it Walmart? Yeah, Walmart. I forget how much I paid for it. What is this? Oh. I thought the bed was hanging over y'all. Okay. Alright, now let's get ready to tape it up, y'all. Ain't gotta be so perfect, just as long as it's taped up. I know he's gonna say, because before I put my bedding out there before, and I didn't have any wrapping paper to wrap the thing, and he wasn't gonna take it. Then he looked at me, he said, I'm gonna take it for you this time, but make sure you wrap it out the next time. I said, thank you. So yeah, so I know he gonna say, damn, this time she really followed the assignment. So yeah. You gotta tip about one time. I pay attention. I want to take off my hand. Fingers. Alright. So yeah. We almost finished, y'all. Oh, you know what? Why did I do that? Y'all may hear noise because y'all are over there by the heater and it just came on. Alright, y'all. That's how it is. Wrap it up. Wrap it up. See? Wrap and you're ready to go. So now I'm about to put this out for trash. And wait for a trash person. He's going to take it because it's wrapped. So y'all stay tuned. Y'all, they just took the bed, and I don't know if y'all can see the trash truck out there, but yes, they done take the bed, and so everything was a go.
Alright, so Mama Weezie's gonna put this in her vlog. Hey! It's your girl Tay Poppin'. And we're coming with bangers after bangers after bangers because you know who I am. Let them know in the comments. It's like, no, guys. I'm gonna get a vlog camera soon so I can post on my channel. But right now, this is gonna go on Mama Weezie channel. And yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. It's your girl Mama Weezie, and she's out. Peace.
Perfect. Perfect. Perfect.